What's up, everyone? It's your boy Ultra Toad Cam, and yes, I got a haircut. I'll talk about that later. But today, I'm gonna be unboxing. Drop this. Today we're gonna be unboxing R.o.b. The camera is backwards, but yeah, R.o.b. Even though the camera's backwards, still gonna be unboxing him. But yeah, I got this at Five Below because right now I only have the only Smash Amiibo I have, the only Amiibo I have right now is Lucas. I only have him. Right here is a 360 view on him. But got this guy now. Let's unbox him. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend this part, then no, screw it. I'm more to get just crap. Nice. Alright, so rest in peace, this Amiibo box, apparently. Sorry, Sonic. That's my brother, not a figure. But here is R.o.b. or R.o.b. He looks pretty nice in the Famicom colors, I'm not gonna lie. He looks nice in the Famicom colors. I don't have the original colors yet, but it doesn't really matter. And it even says, on the bottom of it, it says Family Computer Robot, but the camera is not focusing. It won't focus, but if you ever decide to get this, it will say Family Computer Robot on the bottom, around here, but it won't focus. It doesn't want to focus, and I don't know why. It doesn't want to focus and show it. Hold up. I can't keep it still. But still, yeah, this is R.o.b. This is the only Amiibo, sadly. Well, yeah. I now have two Amiibos now. I have this dude, Lucas, and this sucker, R.o.b. But yeah, I'm definitely going to probably train him up. My brother asked if I can train him, but I actually don't know. And also, look. Welcome. I'm out here. And they're gone. But still, that wasn't funny at all. I suck at comedy. But still, well, that's the video. But still, I hope you guys enjoy it either way. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, Lucas is currently getting taken by Famicom R.o.b. and yeah, I'll see you later.